Dale, your tire pressure looks really low.
On the gas station, you got your pump?
I've got a pump.
That one right here?
Yeah, just go up there and or even straight ahead.
Right here.
Okay.
Hope it's not blowing.
No, you got air in there. It's just real low.
Alright, I'll follow you.
Oh, it's too hot off the corner.
I think that's crop tire. Yeah.
Oh, really?
That was it.
Well, try to pressure it up, see what it does.
That's really low to the ground.
Well, it's just been what you call it? Deforming and reforming the whole time there.
It's always good to have somebody behind you who can pay attention to these types of things.
We would have went all the way out to Lake Geneva.
I don't know if you would have made it to Lake Geneva.
I would have felt that.
Yeah. Set
I
your
felt
pressure
it.
to what you want.
You didn't feel anything?
And let me get this. Here, I've got an extension, Dale.
They're not that old.
They don't look bad.
It's a gorgeous day.
Well, what a day to go wagon, yeah.
It's not cold when like the
Yeah.
wind goes on
40
you.
bucks.
You know, hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, just need some air.
Did it turn off?
Yeah.
Press and hold the non-plus. There you go.
Your tire looks fine.
I gotta check it out. .36 psi.
Can I check mine?
No.
Oh, you do your front.
34
Better
psi.
up T-clocks.
There it is. Pull forward.
You found something?
Yeah, stop. Oh, back up a little bit.
Oh,
Right there.
There's a,
You have a
looks like
screw.
a screw that's right into your
Mother.
tire.
Good night, Michael. That's some safety parts that's coming into play.
Yeah, we've seen worse tires than this on the videos. Oh, this is almost new tires.
Dale? Plug kit, vice grips.
We could just plug it.
Do it.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Okay, we're going to site.
No, we're not.
Here.
shit.
You know what I mean?
I have a screwdriver.
Do you?
Yeah.
I can just screw it out. Well, shit, if I plug it in there.
A plug kit?
Done.
You.
Yeah, so this has got adhesive already on the rubber.
Yep. So that thing,
Need the
these. Take this out.
I like that steel case.
Then this sits like this. Screw it back together. You rub it in and out a little bit, and then you take a plug. You stick it.
It's coming out. Yeah. A true roadside repair doesn't. That makes me glad you've got all these tools with you.
Dude.
There it goes. There you go. Yes. Nice.
Holy fuck. That's not easy.
No.
Maybe I shouldn't
not
even
supposed
bother
to be.
buying
It's
one.
tight.
I can't do that.
Yeah, I'm glad you're here to do that for you.
Yeah.
And then cut the rest of the shit off of the axis.
Stop yelling at me.
Dude, fucking done. Look at that.
It should be good then.
Yeah, that'll be good for a long time, actually.
I don't need a tire this week.
Nope. That'll do. It's awesome. Yeah.